Are you a space enthusiast or a complete newbie in space? Well, I've got it. Here are some facts and statements that will rock your mind and are my personal favorites. My name is Jayan Vijay and let's get started. Number 1. The astronaut footprints on the moon will stay for more than 100 million years. Well, why does that happen? Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there's no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' mark on the moon. That means their footprints, rubber prints, spaceship prints, and discarded materials will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. But why not for infinity? The moon is still a dynamic environment. It's actually being constantly bombarded with micrometeorites, which means that erosion is still happening on the moon, just very slowly. Number 2. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? I'm sure you know about black holes, but if you don't, black holes are a region in space where matter goes in using large amounts of gravity. So have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into one? Well, first, you wouldn't be able to see it because it's always consuming matter, but you could see the gravity warping light. This means the black hole would suck you in a process known as spaghettification. But if you instead fell at a supermassive black hole, you would probably cross the point of the horizon, which has no return, but you would actually stay there without dying, meaning you could look out to the surrounding area, but anyone around you wouldn't be able to see you. This is where things get weird. The surrounding of a black hole, the horizon, is so strong that it can slow time down. So 1 minute inside a black hole would be 100 or even 1,000 years for someone outside of the black hole. You've heard of black holes, but have you heard of white holes? So you've probably heard of black holes, the dark and scary vacuum cleaners of space. But have you heard of white holes? White holes are essentially the opposite of black holes, a region in space where nothing can enter. Objects from the inside of a black hole can exit, but these can never get back in. These were first discovered by Albert Einstein back in 1915. We are still yet to find one in the universe. Astronomers believe they don't exist, and others believe they must exist. I guess only time can tell. Since you guys have made it here, here's an extra fact. Andromeda, which is now 2.5 million light years away from Earth, is moving towards Earth at 110 kilometers per second. In 4.5 billion years, it will collide with our Milky Way and form a new galaxy called Micromeda. Earth will be destroyed by the sun, and the sun will get thrown off into interstellar space. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something new. Peace!